I'm Robin Clevitt, and today I'm going to show you a self-drilling, low-torque, reduced head decking screw from ForgeFast, and later on, a quick tip using this screw. ForgeFast has a complete range of elite performance screws. The ForgeFast reduced head decking screw has all the benefits of the self-drilling thread and comes with the Elementic 2000 corrosion protection system. The reduced pancake cylindrical head allows for discreet fixing in the grooves between the channels of most timber decking boards. An additional reverse thread at the top of the screw, combined with the reduced head, leaves a crisp hole in composites without the mushrooming of excess material. It's a Deckmark quality assured product. The sharp point for faster bite enables you to even get through steel which is 0.8 thick. It even has molecular lubrication which helps reduce friction and torque. And it's CE approved for use in load-bearing timber construction. It's available in green and tan and sizes 50 and 60 millimeters. I can fix it in the channels and it's totally concealed and hidden away. So a little tip for you, if you're using a ribbed decking, it comes in all shapes and sizes with different ribs. What I like to do is make sure I'm roughly 20% of the way in. So in this case, I'm in the second rib in. That allows for the timber to expand and contract. If I was screwing here and here in a really dry summer, you might get a split straight down the middle of the board. Roughly 20 to 25% of the way in to allow for that shrinkage. So that was the self-drilling, low-torque, reduced head decking screw from ForgeFast, and a little tip to make your life easier. So for more tips and to see the rest of the Elite range, follow the link on screen, and thank you for watching.